This is little 6-month-old Zoe. Come on, Zoe. Let's go. And today she's going to learn some sit whistles with Finn here. Finn's almost 2. He already knows a sit whistle. When I blow one whistle, it means to sit. So we're going to let Zoe chase Finn around a little bit. Hopefully she'll get in a playful mood, and we'll blow some whistles and see how she does. Let's go, Zoe. Sit. That's good, Zoe. All right. Sit. All right, free. Now they should both sit, hopefully. Sit. I guess she's more trained than he is. Oh, there's dogs over there. Sit, Zoe. All right, free. Go on. Poop. See that? She even poops on command. Very good. All right, free. Free. So he likes to bug him all the time. Free. Free, Finn. Let's go.